I like to be as transparent as possible with you guys. I'm not one of these gurus who act like I always win. I'm always making money. Today, big freaking L for myself. I am the donkey of the day. What is going on, traders? We guys crushed it today. In today's video, I'm going to show you what not to do, as well as prepare you guys to trade the best setups at the best prices into tomorrow. Let's get into it. So, as I said, big L, donkey of the day for myself. Why? I ended up getting puts at the first 5-minute candle towards the highs, ended up selling for a nice profit. I was realizing that 561.32 was a floor. As soon as we dipped under it, I ended up buying calls. Everything's good so far. And then I did a nice uptrend line. As soon as we broke under the uptrend line, I ended up getting puts and banked $3,200 on the day. Sniper should be done. I should walk away and then go enjoy my life, right? No, I'm an idiot. What did I end up doing? Ended up buying calls for an overreaction trade. Not just any contracts. I decided to do same days, and I got absolutely destroyed. I ended up, as soon as we ended up breaking down, guys, I ended up getting into puts before the 200 EMA. As soon as we dipped down, I doubled down. And then as soon as we broke under 560, I ended up doubling down that position. I had 200 contracts on the same days, and as you can look right here, it just bled, guys. I got absolutely destroyed. I was up $3,200 on the day, and then I lost the $3,200, then lost $10,000. Being an idiot. And this is what I want to teach you guys. No matter how good you think you are at trading, no matter how big your account size is, it's still one goal. The goal doesn't change whether you have $2,000 or $1 million in your trading account. It's to get green and leave. And I was being greedy today because I was on a roll and I ended up getting clapped. It was horrible. And what happened today happens to a lot of people, and you're going to be fighting the same thing, guys. You're going to be hitting a great level, and let's get this right. So the trade I ended up getting into, it was a good setup. I would still take the same setup right now, right? If you scroll over here and all I see is this, right? I'm still buying calls. We're at 560, a massive level. CPI data beat everything. CPI data came in amazing, right? And it didn't work out. The best setup at the best price didn't work out. Where did I go wrong? My main issue was I bought same-day contracts. I usually don't do that. I usually go 3-4 days out, 5 days out sometimes. Today, I thought the move would happen very quickly, so I ended up getting in 50 contracts, double down to 100, double down to 200, stopped out. I was green on the day. I made my daily goal. I was up over 3,000 USD on the day today. I should have walked away, and you know what? I deserve this L because I was green and I decided to continue trading. And even though you're trading at the best level, sometimes it will not work out, and I deserve that, okay? So, enough of what I did today. If you watched the game plan for yesterday, as soon as we broke under PCP, guys, it was puts, and as soon as you saw 560 turn into a resistance, aka a shooting star, at 560 and the 200 EMA on the 5-minute, look at the downside potential. Look exactly what happened as soon as we ended up making a roof and a big rejection from 560. I told you guys it was an open pocket all the way to 557.18, and that's what happened. I went against my trading plan, and I was not happy with myself, but this happens in trading. You win some and you lose some. You win big and you lose big, but you need to be consistent with how you're trading, and what I lost today, guys, it's nothing to me. I will be able to get it back. I'm not going to lose sleep over this. I'm just mad at myself because I could have bought, like I told the Discord, like 5 ounces of gold, threw it in a safe and forgot about it. I could have went on and bought a cheap Rolex, threw it in the safe and forgot about it. But me, I just gave it to market makers. I gave it to the market makers like nothing happened. And that's my L from overtrading. I deserve it. Moving forward into tomorrow, what are we watching? So, the big levels we're going to be watching is the gap. SPY ended up having a gap close reversal today around 2 o'clock, okay? Or 3 o'clock, sorry. We ended up filling the first gap and then immediate bounce. Now we're showing weakness. So this gap at 555.82 filled. So what do? I make it blue now. So I know this gap is filled, but look what's right underneath of us. We have another gap at 555.28. This is the level I'm going to be waiting for calls. Everything, all the news came out. I know I even told the Discord this morning that the news came out bullish. Everything was a beat. This all could be priced in and we could still drop, right? But the news was bullish. That's why I was buying calls, because I thought we would at least retest previous close, what we didn't. So tomorrow, 555.28, an open gap. We're also going to be adding 556.48. That's the gap from today. And I know I did this wrong. I will fix it tomorrow, but I'm in the middle of a video. So, okay, the gap is 556.48, make or break level. Now we have two gaps again. We have 556.48, and we still have the lower gap of 555.28. If you look at the higher time frames right now, the higher time frames, we had a big drop, and now we're consolidating. We're consolidating for a dip down to potentially 555 to 554s, or we're going to be retesting 559, 560. That's what we're looking at. Every single day, Monday to Friday, I'm doing a pre-market analysis at 9:15 Eastern Time, 15 minutes before market open every single day. I have been staying on a little bit longer, but I got to put my attention to the Discord, guys. If you would like to be a part of that 2-day free trial happening right now, the link is in the bio. Make sure you are playing key levels and key levels only. Make sure you are watching and looking for open gaps. Think about a previous close gap like a magnet. SPY is going to get pulled down to it eventually. It may not be today. It may not be next week. It could be a month from now, but you need to mark these levels on your chart. I am looking for calls personally in the 554 levels. The biggest level that we have is 554. After that, it's a $2 drop all the way to 552. Look at this open gap. If we reject 554, it's free money puts to 552. Pay attention to that. Right now, I'm not that bearish. Yes, the daily candle is bearish. Yes, some of the higher time frames are a little bit bearish, but the news is bullish. The market is bullish. We are waiting to see tomorrow if the dip is going to be bought. This could be a change of trend, right? It's usually every big dip ends up getting eaten and we push higher. Today we dropped and we're holding. We need to see if it's a hold and drop or a bounce. So tomorrow, 9:15 a.m., 15 minutes for market open. I will be doing a pre-market live stream every single day, Monday to Friday. Join us, guys. Again, 2-day free trial happening at the Daily Sniper, the best Discord around. I'll see everyone tomorrow. Take care, guys.